In today's video, we're diving deep into the not-so-secret mission of removing your card from LegalZoom. We'll walk through the process step by step, uncover any potential pitfalls, and make sure you can confidently manage your payment information on the platform. So, grab a notepad, maybe a cup of coffee, and let's get started on decluttering your digital wallet. First things first, why would you even want to remove your card from LegalZoom? Well, beyond the obvious security concerns, minimizing the number of places your financial data is stored is always a good practice. There are a few other reasons. Perhaps you've completed all your legal filings and don't anticipate needing their services in the near future. Maybe you're switching to a different payment method, or you simply prefer to have tighter control over your subscriptions and recurring payments. Whatever your reason, taking control of your payment information is a smart move. Now, let's talk about the general approach to managing payment methods on most online platforms. Typically, you'd navigate to your account settings, billing, or payment information section. LegalZoom, being a professional service, generally follows a similar structure. However, sometimes the exact terminology or the placement of these options can be a little tricky to locate, especially if you're not a frequent user. Before we jump into the actual steps, it's crucial to understand a key point. If you have any ongoing subscriptions or services with LegalZoom, you might not be able to simply delete your card without first canceling those services or providing an alternative payment method. This is a standard practice to ensure continuity of service. So, if you're still expecting to receive registered agent services, compliance alerts, or anything else that incurs a recurring fee, make sure you address those first. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to check your My Services or order history within your LegalZoom account. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's a detailed walkthrough of how to remove your card from LegalZoom. Step 1. Log in to your LegalZoom account. This might sound obvious, but it's the foundational step. Go to LegalZoom's official website and enter your username and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, use the Forgot Password link to regain access. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once you're logged in, look for your account name or a profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. From this menu, you'll typically see options like My Account, Account Settings, or Dashboard. Select the option that leads you to your main account management area. Step 3. Locate the Billing or Payment Information section. Within your account settings, you're looking for a section specifically dedicated to billing or payment methods. This might be labeled as Billing Information, Payment Methods, Manage Payments, or something similar. Click on this section to proceed. Step 4. Identify your stored payment methods. Once you're in the billing section, you should see a list of any credit cards or other payment methods you have on file with LegalZoom. Each card will likely have details like the last 4 digits of the card number and the expiration date. Step 5. Select the card you wish to remove. Next to each stored payment method, there should be an option to edit or remove it. Look for a Remove, Delete, or X icon next to the card you want to take off your account. Click on this option. Step 6. Confirm the removal. LegalZoom, like most platforms, will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Read the confirmation message carefully to ensure you're removing the correct card and that you understand any implications, especially if it's tied to an active service. Click Confirm or Yes to finalize the removal. Important considerations and troubleshooting. Active subscriptions. As mentioned earlier, if you have an active subscription or recurring service, you might be prompted to update your payment method before you can remove the existing one. If you intend to cancel a service, make sure you do that first. Navigate to your My Services section and look for options to manage or cancel individual services. Default payment method. Some platforms require you to have at least one valid payment method on file, especially if you have a history of purchases. If you only have one card and are trying to remove it, you might be asked to add a new one first, even if you don't intend to use it immediately. This is less common with LegalZoom once all services are complete, but it's good to be aware of. Browser cache and cookies. Occasionally, browser cache or cookies can interfere with website functionality. If you're experiencing issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, or try using a different web browser. LegalZoom mobile app. If you're using the LegalZoom mobile app, the steps might be slightly different, but the general principle of navigating to account settings and then billing information remains the same. Contacting customer support. If you've followed these steps and are still unable to remove your card, don't hesitate to contact LegalZoom's customer support. They can provide direct assistance and resolve any account-specific issues. You can usually find their contact information, phone number, or live chat in the Help or Contact Us section of their website. Be prepared to verify your identity for security purposes. Removing your card from LegalZoom is a straightforward process once you know where to look. By following these steps, you can ensure your financial information is managed securely and efficiently. Remember, taking control of your digital footprint, especially your payment details, is a crucial aspect of online security. It provides peace of mind and reduces the risk of unauthorized charges or data breaches. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.